Baby's trying to catch the butterfly with a stick. You're trying to catch the butterfly with a stick? Where is it? Let's see. I see the butterfly. I see the butterfly. It's way up there. Yeah. You see the butterfly sitting up on the tree branch. You might be here a long time trying to catch a butterfly with a stick, baby. Such a beautiful butterfly. This tree is full of butterflies because the cherry trees are blooming great. So all the butterflies are just flying around and trying to feast on the nectar and pollen. Where's the butterfly? Butterflies are all over the tree, baby. Let me know what kind of butterfly that is. It's so beautiful, like bluish color. Wow. I can lift you up all the way up there. The butterflies are way on the top, baby.
That's a bigger stick.
You did.
That's a bigger one. Oh, that's a bigger one.
I'm just trying to catch the butterfly with a stick. Keep trying. I don't know if you get much with a stick and a butterfly, but keep trying. That's fun, huh? There's one here sitting on the branch. You want to be a butterfly when you grow up?
To catch the real butterfly.
Oh, so you can catch the real butterfly. Oh, you can turn into a butterfly to catch a butterfly. Wow. That's very eco-friendly approach. Oh, really? Okay.